So it says a physician is investigating the effectiveness of the surgeries she performs. So she investigates the amount of blood lost for several of her past patients and reports the values below. Construct a histogram for these values using 5 classes using the frequency table. Okay, so I'm going to do my best here to just kind of sketch out what this ought to look like so you have an idea. So the raw data is already listed for you, and we'll just go ahead and circle it here in green. That's the raw data. So if you make the counts for each of these classes, if the numbers that are between the numbers that are between 0.1 and 0.5, there should be 6 of them. So that would be this one, this one. What we're gonna do, we'll go ahead and build it here in black. So it says construct a histogram for these values using the 5 classes using the frequency table. So they're already telling you you have to start at 0.1 and 0.5. So the beginning is going to be 0.1 and this is going to be 0.5. So that's a difference of 4. However, let's read carefully on something. Use the black dots on the x-axis to make the correct boundaries for the bars in the histogram. Use a minimum value in the data set as a first lower class limit. So let's use only lower class limits. Okay, so we're going to use lower class limits. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do 0.6, 0.6, and then 1.1, then 1.6, 1.6. So you're adding 0.5 all the way across. Then 1.6 plus 0.5 is 2.1. And then I'm going to go one more step. That's going to be 2.6, because if you add 0.5, you get 2.6. Now you set up the bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the highest that you're going to have to go. Let me try to be a little bit neater here. Let's see if this works out. So I'm going to create a bar that goes that high. And I suppose I could fill it, although that's not really the most important thing, but looks nice. Let's go ahead and build another one. The next one's gonna go to 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go ahead and fill that one a different color. Let's fill it maybe, we'll fill it blue. And then the next one is gonna go up to 2. That only goes that high. Now these should really be next to each other, but obviously I eyeballed the making of the graph, so it's not the prettiest graph here. So hopefully that is not deterring you from understanding the concept. And then between 1.6 and 2.1, it's gonna be 0. There is something that you may be considering. Let me see if I can. Oh, so that's gonna be 0. So there's not gonna be anything there. And then the last one is 1 between 2.1 and 2.5. And so that's gonna go just, about that high. And we'll fill that one with let's go with that purple color. No. I don't know if I can fill the outline. There we go.